Hello, hello, beautifuls. Welcome, welcome. My name is Giselle, co-host of the Strong Sunflowers podcast and founder of GS for Growth. And today I'm just gonna do a little hair tutorial kind of video vlog with me. I have to wash my hair. I currently have the pineapple. Before we start, you already know, like, share, subscribe to your mom, to your friends, to your cat, or just subscribe so we can hang out more. But yeah, today is wash day, is Monday. I was supposed to do it yesterday. And right now I have this pineapple, but it's time. I had a wash and go earlier. When I did my big chop story, I look ridiculous. Okay, I'm just gonna talk to you guys like this. Shake it off. Gorgeous. So when I did my big chop story, you guys really loved it and you were expecting me to post like my hair journey and all that stuff, and I didn't, but I guess I could do it when I post this video and kind of add more clips and tricks. So I'm gonna go wash my hair now because it takes forever to dry regardless, but this is how it looks. I'm gonna film on my phone probably, so I'll do a switcheroo to that, but yeah, let's get this hair wash day started. It's like a whole day for me. I love relaxing, listening to good music, but I guess I'm filming this for you guys. So before we start, I have a couple of tools. I'm in the shower, so it might be echoey, but a couple of things that I'm using for my hair. So have it just like this. I'm using Jamaican castor oil strength by Shea Moisture. This is my go-to. I use this all the time. I don't use conditioner. I will be using rice water collection by Mielle Organics. What else? My detangling brush, very important. I do detangle with my fingers first. Couple of random crap so I can hold my hair in place while I'm doing what I need to do. Another very important thing that I always bring to the shower with me is scissors. I always have single strand knots or just knots that I don't want to pull or that just gotta go. So I gotta be ready for my scissors. And here's a quick little video of me wetting my hair when it's totally dry. I do have low porosity hair, so it takes a really long time to get wet. So I just make sure that everything is as wet as possible. Use lots of water. Water is your best friend when you do have low porosity. You guys can go. I was having a moment. So I put my hair in like little sections. This smells really good. It's like a clay. So it's like a defining mask. And then I go by section. And go put that shit in there. Okay, hey everybody, so I am back. So I just finished washing and sectioning my hair off with that rice water, and I also found this Mielle Overnight Moisturizer. I got that by accident, so I'm gonna use that too. I have my heating cap. I got this bad boy from Amazon. It's just, you put it in the microwave. And I used to have like those little hats that you wear under that, but I don't have any more of those. So, plastic bag, because we're ghetto. This is from Detweilers. We put it over our head. We tuck these bad boys in. I usually tuck. Oh my gosh. Tuck, and then grab the sides of the bag and then roll up, and then it's just easier to make a little knot. This is, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, we ain't paying money for the other ones. So once you have that, I like to double knot it. Once you have that and all your little curls are in, make sure all the air comes out. All the air is out. Then you put your little hat on. Looking fabulosa. This stays pretty hot. I do like 5 minutes and then heat it up again. Then heat it up again. I think I'm gonna do 20 minutes. I'm gonna read a book and call it a day. After that, then I rinse and then I'm ready to style. I'm gonna do a wash and go. So for that, I'm gonna use Mielle Organic products, of course. I'll let you guys know what they are. And yeah, I'm gonna go read my book. I'm gonna put a timer now. Perfect, perfect, start timer. So the book that I'm reading is called Welcome Home. I'm gonna make, I'm gonna do a video, a review on this because I literally just started reading it a couple of days ago and it's 10 out of 10 recommend. Like, oh my gosh, like literally the first page. She was like, the mistakes most of us make is that we build our homes in other people in the hope that they will deem us worthy of being welcomed inside. We feel so abandoned and empty when people leave because we've invested so much of ourselves in them. In this introduction, you'll learn about the power of taking ownership over building your home, your own space within yourself. Regardless of your past, how homeless you were, or how many people you begged to love you, building your home begins here and now. Are you ready? 10 out of 10 recommend. Go read this book. It's so good. One of the other things that I talked on the Strong Sunflowers podcast also that she mentioned was some people are carrying mountains that we were only supposed to climb, whether that's childhood trauma, whether that's believing that you're not worthy of love, believing that you need to seek validation in other people, whatever it is. We carry that shit on our backs when it was just like, you know, a mountain that we were supposed to climb or a struggle that we were supposed to go through to get to our blue moment. So, but the book is amazing. I can relate with like literally 125% of what she's saying, especially right now. I got a little triggered the other day because I have to move by August. It's that time of the year again. And even though I'm good, you know, like I'm good, I'm financially stable, like I can do this, but still little old me, you know, I still get so upset, so triggered because for the longest time, even growing up, I didn't feel like I had a home. Like we moved all the time. We never stayed in a place long enough to be a home. And we were just always moving. And now as an adult, after my divorce and everything and finding a place for me to live, and I was like homeless for like 3 weeks. And I remember when I moved in with my friend Xana, hi Xana, I moved in with her and it was the first time that I felt welcomed and home, but at the same time it was still not home. And now I have to move. This was 3 years ago. Now it's been 4? No. Now it's been, yeah, this was 2 years, this was 3 years ago. And now it's kind of happening again. And it kind of triggered me, you know, because I still don't have a home. And then this book, of course, perfect timing. Welcome Home. It's just reminding me, again, home comes from within. But as I get older, like, you know, I want to have a home of my own too. So it's been a little rough. It's been a little rough, but we're chucking along. We're going to bake this, cook this for a little longer, and then I'll be back. So I'm pretty sure you guys know this, when you're doing a wash and go, you want to make sure your hair is wet as hell. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to part these down the middle. Oh, these two sections. Look at this hair. Sorry. Put it up and wet the hell out of it. I'm just going to show you with one section and then I'm going to do the rest of my hair. So my floor is so wet, but I let it dry too much because it was dancing and whatnot. But I keep spraying. Literally, your hair has to be like drenched. I might just wash my hair again because my hair dried pretty fast. Okay, I get the leave-in conditioner. I usually use 2 pumps per section. Put that in there. Put that in there. Ooh. Should start to feel smooth like butter. You put that in there. It should start to be doing what you want it to do. Even though my hair should be detangled, curls always tangling on each other. So, especially when it dries. So, I keep doing it until I know it like went into the strand. Okay. I brush it a little bit, get those tangles out. If I ever have any bigger tangles, that's when I use my scissors. Okay. Okay. Then I get my butter, my hair butter. That's a lot, should be too much. Okay. A little goes a long way, but I'm very heavy-handed. Okay, so then I get my butter. I put it in there. Okay. Hair should look like this right now. Okay, after this bad boy, your hair is looking like this. Now we're gonna use our Gel Extreme and we're gonna section it into two. Let that shine, and then I'm gonna use our little clippy to clip it out of the way. Use our brush to brush it out. Gel. And sometimes I even wet my hair again because I want it, again, you want it to be wet as hell. What the hell is that? It's like a piece of hair. Okay. And then you get the gel all through that section. Your hair should look like this. Look at that. Perfect, perfect. Now that your hair looks like that. Again, I'm very heavy-handed, so make sure you get your roots. And don't forget the roots, and then I go and start picking out the hairs. Look at that. It's like hard to see, but I'll try to get closer. Keeps refocusing, but I'm actually gonna, there we go. There we go. And this is how my hair is looking. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then I do that to the rest of my hair. This is how my hair looks after everything. I'll come back on day 7 to show you guys the final results. Hey beautifuls, it's been a week since I washed my hair. It's Sunday. I'm about to wash my hair once again, but I just wanted to come on here and kind of finish up the video. Usually after my beautiful fro comes, usually at day 5, 6, day 7, I put in a pineapple and rock the pineapple. I can rock it day 6, depending if I'm gonna wash my hair the next day, which I am. So I just wanted you guys to see the pineapple before I let her go. I freaking love this hairstyle. I love doing wash and goes because of that, the versatility of it. Whenever you want a smaller fro, bigger fro, it grows throughout the week. If you don't want to wash a fro, you don't have to do it either if you put it up in a pineapple, but we have to take care of our hair, okay? Our hair needs health, it needs moisture, it needs a lot of things to sustain it. Our hair is bougie. Curly hair is very bougie. So one of the things that I wanted to bring into this video is that going into my natural hair journey, it really taught me about me and loving myself and having self-love and watering myself. Because with this curly hair, I have to have a lot of patience and a lot of nurturing. And I have to give it what it needs if I want it to act right. And that's kind of like me, you know, like learning to love myself and giving myself what I need and what I acquire, what I require. So I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe, like button, all those things. Leave a comment. How do you wash your hair? How is your wash hair routine? And if you have any new products that I can use, please link them below or comment them below, because I'm trying to change my hair washing game. But thank you so much for being part of our field, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Ciao.